Step number 1, pick up your phone. Step number 2, watch some videos. And step number 3, collect your earnings. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make money online in pure passive income with no skills or previous experience. And let's face it, videos on YouTube is something most of us do every single day. But in this video, you'll be able to get paid doing something you already do every single day. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a fresh video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so the website that will be paying us today is called gg2u.org. And just before I go ahead and explain everything, I need to remind you guys to be patient and keep watching. Because if you click off this video right away and just go to the website, you won't be able to use it effectively and to its full potential. You'll be able to make a few dollars here and there, but you will be missing out on a lot more than that, effectively leaving money on the table. And that's what I really want to prevent. So once again, please keep watching and pay close attention. As you may notice, this site has many different ways to earn money and earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more so. Watching videos is not the only way to make money here per se. However, from my experience, it is by far the best one, because it simply requires the least amount of work. You just open up a video, leave it running while you're off doing something else, and you will still get paid nonetheless. Surveys, games, and other tasks like that all require your full attention in order to collect your earnings, which is precisely why I don't really prefer them, but you can of course get paid in that way too. If you have a bit more time on your hands now, as far as payments are concerned, you can get paid via PayPal and various gift cards. So if you happen to be passionate about those things, and I know many of you are, it is an available payment. If you happen to not like cryptocurrency in general, PayPal and gift cards are available as well. As far as the website itself is concerned, the main reason I chose it amongst other things is because it gives most of the money to its members. In other news, the money they receive from advertisers is given to the people who watch these ads between 65 and 85%. As you can see, that is unheard of. As far as websites like this are concerned, they generally give at best 50% to its members, and in most cases, it's way lower than that. So this site pays more than other similar websites. Furthermore, as you've most likely seen by now, you get paid $1 for just signing up, which takes 30 seconds to do so. With all that said, now let's move on to what you have to do when you first come. And as many of you can already guess, it's signing up. Just enter in your first name, email address, username, password, your country, tick this box, and click on sign up, and that's it. I'll go ahead and log into my own account so we can show you how you'll be able to make money with this website. Okay, so here is how the site looks. Once you log in, as you can see, I have indeed received $1 bonus for signing up, and as you can see, it says, I need to reach. The reason being is that $7 is the minimum amount of money required for you to be able to withdraw it. And let's face it, that isn't a lot in any way, shape, or form. You should easily be able to reach such an amount. Speaking of getting paid, something I'd like to mention is that in case you should choose to get paid in cryptocurrency, you will have to pay a 3%, which isn't too big of an issue. But if you don't want to pay, PayPal might be a better option for you because you don't have to bother paying any fee and you'll receive 100% of your profit. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video anyways. With that out of the way, back on this, you will be able to see all the offers which you can complete. These were the white background. We'll redirect you to a different website, but you will nonetheless and get paid on this site for now though. Like I said, videos will be our main focus as they are arguably the best way to. Clicking on them will bring you straight over here, and something that you'll see on here that I have to explain as the point system on this side. As you can see, for every 200 points you earned, you will receive a silver token that said token being worth between $1 and $3. Something that's very important here is that you will need the Hideout account as well for this to work. Because as it says here, if you don't already have a Hideout account now, required click here to join Hideout. When you're watching Hideout videos, the Hideout points you receive can be converted into GG2U video points. Using their site's Redeem Balance button, it's also okay to watch the videos directly from the Hideout website, so you do not need an account on this site. And that won't take too much of your time. Just click right here and then type in your basic information and create an account. And you're good to go. Just like it said over in the previous site, you can also watch the videos from here as well. That's completely fine. Now, the second thing that's important for me to mention is that if you have an ad block running, like I have right now, no videos will be. So make sure you turn off your ad blocker first in order to get started. As I said before, the great thing about this is that you don't have to actually watch the videos. Furthermore, something that I found out was that you can actually open multiples of them at once and turn off the sound, and they will generate you money as if you were actually watching all of them. Watching them on your phone is also an excellent idea as well, especially if you're waiting somewhere and don't have any. Anyway, believe it or not, this is not the only site I'm showing you today. For those of you who have stayed up until this point, I actually have a bonus website that I will show you and will make you money in much the same way. This site is called thezericlami.com, and as you can see right here, it is available for both iOS and Android. So if you want to do this on your phone, that is most definitely possible, just like with the previous. Now your first step when you come on here is to just click on register in the upper right corner. Once again, I'll do just that now and show you what you'll come across when you do. So this is how your dashboard looks. When you register on this site, getting started with making money, here is very easy. Click on Earn right here, which will now show you all the different methods in which you can make money online. You first and foremost have to engage on social media, which is a new one that I think most sites like this. You can, of course, play games, complete surveys, browse websites, videos, and ads. This one, in my opinion, is the best one by far. And I will show you why in just a second. The last options include getting paid by writing comments, creating accounts, and online shopping. This site, you guys, as you've just witnessed, is quite unique as far as making money is concerned. It definitely has some options here that I don't see often. Now let me demonstrate just how easy. When you click on Earn here, it will redirect you all to this page. All you have to do from here is click on Earn again, which will then open up a new window. And as you can see, I just have to leave it open, like so, and this timer will continue ticking, which means I don't have to actually browse the site in question. I just leave it open. And that's it. Now, of course, while this is my preferred method of making money with this site, I encourage you all to try other options they have on here. Certainly it's not a bad thing, and that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.